Hey everyone, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser, and today, as it shows, we're going to show you how to add a pin in RE3. For safety reasons, you could add this 4-digit pin, whether you are a teacher that wants to keep students out, whether you are a parent who wants to keep children out, whether you are a wife that wants to keep your husband in the laser doghouse. You can do so by adding a pin. Now, it's a very simple step. Let me move my head over here. And we will go edit, activate user profiles. You can do a multitude of things with this. You can add multiple ones, whether you want to have like student groups work with the laser. Group 1 does this, Monday and Tuesday, and their pin is this, so on and so forth. So it's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll add it. You'll see just in a second, it will pop up on the screen. And every time you use the laser, it will either pop up on the screen and or on the software itself. So very simple, very useful tool. This keeps everybody out that you don't want on your laser. And I think we'll just go ahead and hit OK. And yeah, now it's activated on our laser. You saw it in the clip there. And yeah, we'll just deactivate it so nobody gets confused or angry. So guys, if you have any more questions, put them down in the comments section of this video. If you want more videos like this on certain features, if you have ideas for features for future software updates, let us know. Put them down in the comment section. I do promise you we listen to them and take everybody's ideas into consideration. As you've seen, RE3 has evolved over the past, and it always gets better and better. Thanks to you guys and our team for testing everything and always wanting to strive for the best. So I think until next time, keep making, be safe, and we will see you in the next software tutorial.